What's up everyone, Confideskill here, and today I have a very special video for you. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and comparing the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard AW768 edition. Alright, let's get right into it. So the keyboard we are going to be comparing today is the older model keyboard, which is a non-mechanical keyboard. This is my original keyboard I had. You can see that I had it for quite a while. It got wore down from my left hand. So, and then the AWSD keys are pretty worn out, but pretty nice keyboard. So let's go ahead and test the typing click sound of it. So, why hello there, how are you? Not too loud. You gotta remember it is non-mechanical, so what are you guys up to? So, would you like to get some ice cream? So, not a too bad of click sound. So, let's get to unboxing the keyboard itself. Again, always be careful when you use a knife. If I even need one, which I believe that I do. So now this is a open box version I got from eBay. I spent, surprisingly, I only got it for $56, I believe it was, which is honestly not that bad considering this keyboard new goes for, I think it's like 120 upwards of that. You can already see that this wasn't for me. This is a puncture. I can't believe the guy mailed it in this. Alright, so he added this, not very good. It looks like he sprayed cologne in here. What? It actually smells like the guy sprayed cologne. No, the back little arm. Okay, it did go back into play with this box out of the way. So, it actually doesn't look like it's in too bad of condition, which I am pretty happy about. Oh wow, that stands pretty tall if you see that. So it's quite angled, which I don't, let's see what it looks like flat. I think I'm still going to use it angled, even though it is quite tall. It's much taller than the other keyboard. Whoops. But it's a little bit smaller than this one, size-wise. But, alright, so I just went and plugged this keyboard in. As you can see up there, it's still installing the driver. So they have it in whatever setup this is. I'm not sure about the commands though, because I haven't bought this model before. But has a nice display of colors, which I know you can't customize it. You have to go to the Alienware FX. So let's go ahead and pull up a notepad. Alright, let's go ahead and compare the clicking sounds of the Alienware keyboard. Hello, my name is Confideskill. So, I like to eat bacon. Hello, I don't speak any other languages. It's not too bad. It's got, it's actually, comparing it to this keyboard, I noticed that the keys go down a lot easier and it's a lot smoother, but as far as clicking, this is definitely louder, but this is a brown key mechanical keyboard, so I don't know, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Do you like bacon? Because it is delicious. Not too bad. I would have to definitely say that overall for what I spent for this keyboard being $56, that's not too bad of a purchase. The condition I actually really lucked out on. As you can see, it's basically no wear on it at all, even on this side. It's like in perfect condition. I was a little worried at first because of the arm being knocked off, but overall I would say it's a nice keyboard. Eventually I will go through and do the Alien Command Center, which I did try this a moment ago, but it was registered to this keyboard, which I'd have to remove this to be able to use this one. But I do know that you can go through and you can change it to where, like, when you click a button, like, it'll shoot it all out in whatever direction, and then, like, if you did it over here, it would shoot out over here. Overall, I would say this is a very nice keyboard. It's got a lot of pep to it, like, just it's very smooth. I really like this keyboard. It's not too bad at all. I will say that some highlights of the keyboard is that it does have the strip underneath. So whatever light settings that you have, it will show underneath. So that's a nice little feature. That's one of the reasons why I did buy this, is because I like the feature. The Alienware logo is over here on the side. Oh, so you click it to turn it on and off. Okay, so I'm wondering... I don't know. I love it, actually. I'm glad I got this. Overall, I would say for click quality, this keyboard definitely beats this one. I've had this one for a bit over a year, and I spent more on this one than I did this one, and I would say this keyboard kills this one. Even though this one has been like my old faithful, and I've had really good luck with this, no issues with this. This one, it definitely feels better to type on. It's also smaller, it's more compact. I'm going to be going for more of a silver aluminum kind of theme, so eventually I'm going to be even replacing my Razer Naga. So if you guys are looking to get the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard, the AW768 edition, which is what this one is, I would definitely highly recommend it. Maybe you guys can get lucky like I did. Another thing about this keyboard I would like to point out is that it's actually quite heavy. And I noticed, like, it's pretty good about not moving. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of what each keyboard sounds like by themselves. Hello, my name is Confideskill. Why, hello there. How are you? I'm going to give a closer look at what this keyboard looks like. I'm going to give you guys some close-up shots of what the keyboard looks like with the lights off. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys would like to see more content, please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you liked it. Thank you.